What's the news?
I don't know if you can cut this out, but I'm sitting down eating cookies, but I'm gonna get that bundle today, bro. Or not today, tomorrow.
Why am I headless?
You are not headless.
For me, I am.
Wait, can you buy me something? I'm broke as hell.
Oh, yeah, sure. You can have that. And that.
Huh, Emma, my cookie.
Damn. So wait, you're gonna get the bundle?
Tomorrow. Or Friday.
I'm probably gonna get like some money, animal company money. I'm not sure.
Hold on. No, get the bundle. Get the bundle.
Why?
Because you'll get $10,000.
How much is the bundle? How much is the bundle?
Oh, if you have this thing called eyes and you can walk, you can go in the shop and see it's $30.
It's $30.
Yeah, the last bundle was $30.
That was a little expensive.
I gotta send my mom what the picture of the bundle looks
Dude,
like.
I don't care. Let's go.
Hold on, damn slow ass.
Hurry up! We're supposed to record a video. Well, I just realized you took a picture of me.
Yo, hold on, I'm falling over. Bro, get the f out of my face.
I'm gonna go to the spooky house. Also, new update. Guys, Halloween update. Go check on Jaden's YouTube channel if you want to go see the new update.
Oh, damn. Wait!
Hurry up! Where's your flashlight? Ah.
Alright, we're splitting up. Oh, damn!
Why do we have to split up?
So we can find
I found her.
Nice.
You found a key?
You just said you found it!
No, I found her. I found the girl.
Wait.
Jaden, I found a painting.
Found the key.
I found a painting.
Pick it up. It's only pick it up and you'll see what it actually looks like. It's only visible when you're inside the house. When you're outside, it's just pixels.
Huh.
I'll do the honors again. Trick shot! I missed.
She's right there.
Do the honors again.
Go, 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 go.
Oh yeah, they can come down here. They can come down here.
They can come down here?
Yeah, I saw mine all the way. Yo, this has to be by far the best thing. Wait up!
Oh my gosh.
Oh damn! Oh damn!
Red crystal!
Tetro, don't leave me!
My final last words was Tetra. Oh, you're right there. Oh, here, Jaden, put this in your backpack. Wait,
Wanna know what happened to Caveman after we left him here?
he died.
Yes, he's fucking dead.
He starved to death. He wanted food. Oh, so
No,
we go
yeah,
over
we
there.
had to put it.
What happens if we go over there?
Yo, there's so much places to explore, bro. Look at this. Look at all the places that we can explore.
Yeah, you're right. I'm still good at this
Yeah, you
parkour
can't-
over here. I thought you instantly die if you touch lava.
How? Up, up, up.
Give me F! Whee! Up, up, and away! Alright, Jade, hold on. Let me put some of my stuff in there. Let me put my stuff in there.
Oh, damn.
I found the image! Hold on, one red thing.
You can't see.
Good. What is it?
Yeah, look. You have to look at it. Oh, damn.
Oh
You have to look
my
at it
gosh.
inside while we're in. You have to look at it while we're inside haunted.
Why is
Mansion.
there one outside of it?
Oh, what does that say?
Monk.
No, there's one way. Can't see. Apparently, your flashlights can probably dim out or die out. Dang. Oh my god, turn on my light.
Oh, let's see the daily challenges. Kill the Christ monster any way you want.
Yeah, the if you don't know what that is, it's the knee monster, which is kind of a little bit hard to kill.
What about grenade?
A grenade won't do anything.
Find and use a disposable camera. Can't do. Sell 15 large cola cans. So you could sell 15 large cola cans. Camera use grenade. I gotta find her. Open the grenade. Turn on the flashlight. And then throw the grenade. I'm just explaining how I'm gonna kill her.
I got the photo.
Got the what?
The painting.
Okay.
Yo, the pipe's still.
Alright, where's she at? Where's that woman at?
You can't even fucking kill her.
I don't care.
Oh, here's the painting. Only one person can pick it up, so you can't. As soon as you pick it up, you can only see it.
Why don't we sell it? She's right there. Okay.
Oh, you just. You dingus! Keep the light on! Oh my goodness! I'm out of here.
But the metal pipe is still the metal pipe is go where? Is this map gonna be permanent?
What?
I said, is this map gonna be permanent?
I don't know, but I just found a key. And
You
a
did?
crate.
My hand's stuck.
What's up here? Nothing good.
Help, Jaden.
What?
Oh,
You've done. You just bring it back out if it gets stuck.
yep, she's near. Yeah,
I'll do the honors.
there's two of them.
Trick shot!
Go, 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 Skibbity! I'm gonna take a picture of the blue little light guy. Wait, before I do that, I need to put all my stuff in my backpack. No,
My
camera!
picture. This isn't content warning, bro.
What? I love that camera.
Somebody said you should record them. Somebody said they should make it so you can record.
They should what?
Somebody said they should make it where you can record.
Wait, yeah, it goes to your VR.
Yo, all they gotta do is add Quest Cam. That's all they have to do.
What's Quest Cam?
It's like a thing where you can sync your ow.
Well, they said they're gonna work on Quest Cam on Discord. Hey, in there. My backpack already full? Ow. Ow.
Where are you?
I'm still trying to grab stuff. Ow. Ow. Yow. Ow. Ow. Where's my camera? Set me up. Whee! Whee!
Still alive?
That's not working. Yeah, I'm still alive.
Okay.
What?
I said okay.
Wow.
Don't understand the first part.
I'm trying to get out. Wee!
Me or the one
Wee!
the best man.
Wee! Okay, I'm back. That's all?
Back at haunted house, let's go.
Oh my gosh. You wanna go to Angler's Cave?
Actually, slowly dims out if you don't.
Wanna go to Angler's Cave?
This cave doesn't exist anymore.
It doesn't?
Took over it.
Oh man.
Yeah, the skinwalkers took over his cave.
Wait, you wanna go over there?
No, like, his cave doesn't exist. It's been replaced by a big metal. You know the pipes and sewers? Yeah, it's been replaced by that, but broken.
You wanna go to like Big Mac's Cave?
I'm at haunted house right now, I don't know why.
Oh my gosh! Ow. No! Get away! Get away! Get away! Get away! Get away! Get away! Stop it!
Oh,
I took the picture of the bird. Also, where's the second bird?
what?
Where's the second bird?
Cave.
Is it the cave? Oh my gosh.
Big Mac's cave.
No! Damn it! I went to Big Mac's Cave, and he started chasing me, and then I got stuck in the ground whenever I was running away, and I died. Where's my camera? The heck? Why is the game breaking?
What do you mean?
Like, I keep getting stuck in the ground.
Skill.
What?
Skill. Yoshiako.
What?
Skill Ishiato. You're still rolling with that damn orange flashlight. Oh, this PC. Yo, you were lagging so bad.
My game! Jaden, stop it! You're lagging my game! You literally just crashed my game, bro. Still. Bro, that gun, they need to fix it. It's so laggy. I'm going to game chat. Oh, my stuff is right here.
Where are you?
I just now joined back. You want to go to Big Back's cave?
Nah, I'm good.
Why not? Well, I'm gonna go to Big Back's cave. I'll tell you what I find. Jaden!
What?
Help! Oh, my PC! Ah! Hey, Jaden. Crate! 2 crates! Hiya! Oh, you actually break it. Jaden!
Oh.
Okay, I don't need this. Stop!
Snag the egg.
What?
I've got the egg.
Really?
I got it without disturbing him.
Where's the... Oh my gosh. Stop doing that! Where's where's his egg?
I said I got the egg.
I know, but
idiot.
where's his hiding spot? It's right there. You need to stop doing that. Ah! You flashbang from that. I got a picture of the mimic. Jaden,
What?
mimic. Can you kill the mimic for me, please?
Don't, this thing doesn't kill anything. Well,
Well, you
but
can push 'em.
hard. Yeah, you can't push monsters.
You can push the mimic.
You
No,
can't push monsters.
I'm reporting you. You're hacking. Why am I so heavy for some reason? I don't have anything in my backpack.
Go and snag the other egg.
Hey, I don't think I can do that. Yeah, you tech lady can't go over there.
Instead.
That teleporter's just a death trap.
You seriously don't.
No.
Why did you say it's a death trap?
Because if you go over there, you're gonna die by the bird.
I already got 2 of the eggs.
Oh, I got a picture of the. Yeah. So what do I do with the photos? Do I just like sell them?
You have to sell the entire camera.
The whole entire thing?
Yeah.
I wonder how much the angler cost.
Yo, my game is lagging.
Me too. It's because of this red light. This red light's lagging everything. Oh my gosh. I have 7,000. I could buy one of those hoverboards.
Hoverboards have there's no changes. So they lowered the price of the shotgun now, which is
How much is it?
12,000.
12,000? Alright, you want to go to the spooky house? Why didn't you get a red flashlight?
No, this one is bright, but it starts to slowly dim when you're.
You want to
slowing
switch?
down. No,
Ready.
I'm more experienced than you.
My PC. Let's get a picture of the Inkliger.
Dude, he's attracted to light, you dingus.
It can't be that bad. Hey, Inkler! See?
You got a photo of him?
Yeah. See, look.
Let me see. He's worth that much. Damn.
You just gotta get close to him. If you get close to him, you die.
Oh my goodness! Oh great, my flashlight's slowly starting to die out again.
You want to switch? What's over here?
We got one useful thing. Plunger. What?
What?
Oh, my flashlight's bright.
Okay.
Use the items to push it further. I don't think I have
Landmine!
anything to break it with.
There's like a landmine right near the door.
Watch out! You got me flickering right now.
Yeah, just keep turning it off. and
Stop.
turning it up.
Use your flashlight or any item you have.
That's
to
what I
open doors
did.
faster. No, you use your hand. You try using your hand. Painting. Great, my flashlight's almost dead.
Wait,
Look at
flashlight
this.
could die?
Look. Look. Oh, never mind. It's back.
Key! I got the key.
There's 2 keys around the map. I don't know what the other one's used for.
Wait, what happens if we just sell the key?
I don't think you. I think it disappears as soon as you try to leave.
Oh my gosh! Trick shot! Yeah! I'm gonna put my backpack. Da 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 da. Youch. 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 This new ZOG is amazing.
I know.
No. 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 Cow. Cow. Did it. Did it. Did it. Did it. Did it.
Tetra, I'm going back up.
No. Oh my god. Cheetah just jumped down. Cheetah jumped down. I'm coming down now.
Tetra, we have to go back up. Ow! 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 Ow!
I think I can put it in my backpack. Okay. Alright.
No, it's pushing me down.
No, it's pushing me down. I made it up. Jaden? I made it back up. Uh-oh. There's so much blood. Okay, I'm gonna have to jump down.
I'll see you on the other side.
Jaden?
Tetra, where
I'm
are
right
you?
here. Wow. Hey Jaden, I wonder why you're upside down. Well, on my screen, you're not upside down. No! Wait, can I just push myself up? push myself up. Oh. Okay, that works. Hey, Jaden.
Tetra, help.
I got you.
That is-
Oh my gosh! Hey, drop it, drop it.
I ain't gonna drop it. Damn, our aim sucks.
Oh, I got it!
Oh, fine.
Ow! Stop that!
Don't do that. Okay, they're all at the top.
Yeah,
Oh.
I still had enough to buy this.
Tetra.
What?
Tetra,
No. No! Wait, I think this one is still in there. Oh, my backpack has a sword.
hell.
Stop doing that.
Tetra.
What? Oh,
It's too fun.
give me it.
No. That's not gonna work.
Oh my gosh! Wait, I used the red one to push? Oh, this one's to pull, this one's to push. Right? Okay, red's
Bro,
pull
the
and
roof-
blue's push. Imagine buying two.
Yeah, you can buy two. It's
No, I accidentally bought a flashlight.
What do you mean you accidentally bought a flashlight?
I accidentally bought the red flashlight.
I mean, it's good, but it didn't sell. No wonder it didn't sell. Look at it.
What? Oh,
I accidentally. Oh.
great! Look what you did.
Oh. Yeah, I accidentally got.
Okay, good. I'll go sell it. I'm still recording, by the way. Oh, hold on. Let me take a picture of you doing selling. Cheese. I failed.
Bro!
What? Are you kidding me?
Ew!
Oh my gosh.
Oh, screw it. We're keeping it. We're keeping it.
It's our pet now. What are we gonna name him? Let's take a picture of him. I want to take a picture of him real quick. His name is Jeremy. Perfect.
You just headless me.
Alright, you wanna go now? You wanna go to Haunted?
Bet.
Playing Animal Company for the 1,000th time. I love this game. I'll never stop loving it until I never love to stop. Yes, love. What?
Wait.
Relic, relic! Where's the angler?
She's probably all the way over there.
Yeah.
Bro, I got my portable light. Let's go.
She's right there.
That doesn't even help quite much.
She's outside. Doing. No, Jeremy. Why would you do that to her? Him or her? Crate.
I got Jeremy.
Crate.
Great. It's not gonna do anything.
Oh my gosh.
Wait.
Stuff go. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's just put it down there, alright? Alright? We don't need a shotgun. We can just buy it. Grab Jeremy! Don't Jeremy! Yay! No, stop! Please! No! Why? I love Jeremy.
Oh, I gotta play content warning.
Alright, she's here. Woman!
I got a picture of her.
I see the
Hey,
key.
woman. Open
Stop.
the damn door!
I'm stuck.
I'm stuck! Damn!
The door is making you
Where
stuck.
did my I got it.
Hold on. Where's she at?
Yo, there was a crossbow in here.
There was? I'm gonna take a
Hey, this
picture of her.
helps, too. She's like worth like 500.
Turn off your flashlight!
Ooh.
Okay, got her. 2 of her. Okay.
I'm gonna leave my camera here. Play it later.
How about we do no flashlight challenge? Ah! I wonder, can that woman come down here?
No, she can come down here until the second part.
Ow! Ow! Ow!
Peace.
Okay, I kept the stuff in my backpack.
Bro, we're starting to relive old Animal Company.
It's just like Fortnite, how like they did an old season. Alright, you ready? Jump down. YOLO!
Ah!
Oh, there's no other item.
Oh, I'm buying a second one.
I did.
See you later. Oh, damn. Ow. Ow. Bro, Tetra, I'll see you later.
Alright, see ya. Oh, my stuff! Yay. Whoops.
Content.
Whee!
Everything in my
I wasn't able to get anything because you made me drop it.
Don't pull your backpack upside down next time.
Wait, my backpack was upside down?
You can make a cancer device with that thing. Just get tons of them.
Whee!
Wow.
Whee! Oh, you don't have to pin it fully, it just...
Yeah.
Here, you can have it.
Doesn't help. I'm fucking through it. You.
This game's fun. I love Animal Grumpany. I love Animal Grumpany. If you don't wait for me.
Big back, big back.
Angler? Oh, I see him. Angler. Angler, get over here. That's it. Angler, look at me. Say cheese. Good. Okay, I took a picture of him. You look like one of those summer camp guys. Like, just turn on your flashlight.
Alright, I'm turn. Wait.
Wait, I'll do it. Go, 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 go! Now get a better picture. That scared me. Oh, shit! Wait, hold up.
Bro, my flashlight.
No, that's my flashlight. Stop it!
No, screw you. My flashlight now.
No! No, screw you!
My old camera. Still got the picture of this.
Why you take a picture of woman?
Bro, she's ugly as hell anyway. She broke my damn camera, bro. There's a shatter in it. This camera's useless now.
Wait,
Go
hold
on.
up. Is Jeremy still in there? Please. No!
I got a picture of your ass before you disappeared. Bro, chill with the explosion.
I'm trying to break this crowdite.
You gotta throw something at Key.
Go, you got a key? Oh my gosh, she was right there the whole entire skibbity dump dump dump. Yes, yes.
Can you walk out with the key?
Can
Oh
you?
my goodness. I can. Wait, does that mean... What if we sell the key?
Yeah.
Shut up. You're just too lazy just to...
Whee! Whee! Whee!
Fuck this game. Get fucking out of here now.
Gosh. What the heck? You let me. No!